Gava, Chief of Defense Forces, on Monday visited Rwot, David Onana Acana at his palace in Gulu during his tour of UPDF operation in northern Uganda. The visit, described as a courtesy call, took place as the army intensified efforts to strengthen security along Uganda's borders with South Sudan and the Democratic Republic of Congo. Muhoozi was accompanied by senior commanders including Major General Felix Busizori of the 4th Division and Major General Keith Katunji of the 5th Division. The meeting focused on fostering cooperation between the military and cultural leadership, with both sides stressing the need for peace, stability, and socio-economic recovery in the Acholi sub-region. Following decades of long conflict, this is what many people have been striving for. Rwot Acana praised the role of the UPDF in sustaining security gains in the region and welcomed continued collaboration in the development efforts. Muhoozi reaffirmed the Army's commitment to safeguarding civilians and supporting government programs aimed at rebuilding war-affected communities.
Nidhamu mnajua maana yake? Nidhamu ni nini? Nini?
Pande inaitwa discipline.
Discipline ya kwetu ya kawaida ya jeshi.
However, the visit comes against a backdrop of internal tensions within the Acholi cultural leadership. The Acholi community has for years faced divisions over competing claims to the position of leading chief, with Rwot Acana and Rwot Santo Apire both commanding loyalty from different sections of the population. Against this complex reality, Muhoozi's meeting with one of the figures at the center of the leadership question may not be received uniformly across Acholi. While officially framed as a gesture of partnership, some observers note that such interactions in a region marked by contested authority require delicate balancing to avoid perceptions of partiality. The visit highlights the intricate relationship between the state, the military, and the traditional structure in northern Uganda, and the challenges of engaging communities where leadership questions remain sensitive. We must remember that both sides expressed a shared vision of working together to consolidate peace and promote livelihoods, but the visit underscores the need for inclusive dialogue if lasting unity is to be achieved in Acholi. Thank you.